Hello everyone, good morning. Today in this session we will talk about the nouns in which we will talk about the number. Before going forward, we should know about how many types of numbers are there. There are two numbers in English, that is singular and the plural. What is a noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in a singular number. कहा जाता है कि अगर किसी भी संज्ञा से ये पता चलता है कि कोई एक के बारे में बताया जा रहा हो, किसी एक चीज के बारे में बताया जाता है, तो उसे हम लोग सिंगुलर नंबर कहते हैं, जैसे बॉय, गर्ल, काउ एटसेट्रा. अब नाउन दैट डिनोट्स मोर देन वन पर्सन और थिंग इज सेड टू बी इन द प्लूरल नंबर. कहा जाता है कि अगर किसी भी चीज के बारे में हमें ये पता चलता है कि वो एक से ज्यादा की संख्या में है, तो वो plural numbers में आते हैं. That for example, boys, girls, pens, etc. Many more are there. How plurals are formed? Plural बनाया कैसे जाता है? तो normally when we adding s to the singular, it becomes plural. नॉर्मल कंडीशन में एस लगाने पे चला जाता है, जैसे बॉय, बॉयज. बॉय के साथ एस लगाओ तो प्लूरल बन गया, काउ के साथ एस लगाया तो प्लूरल बन गया. इसी के साथ बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं. लेकिन फॉर बट नाउन एंडिंग इन एस, डबल एस, एस एच, सी एच और एक्स फॉर्म द प्लूरल बाय एडिंग ई एस टू द सिंगुलर. फॉर एग्जांपल क्लास, क्लासेस, it ends with es. Brush, it adds es to the end and becomes brushes. Most noun ending with o form the plural by adding es to the singular. Many more nouns are there which ends with o and it gets es to the end to get plural. For example, buffalo, we add es to it, it becomes buffaloes. Mango, if we are adding es to it, then it becomes mangoes. Few nouns ending with o merely adds s to the word to form plurals. For example, piano, pianos, kilo, kilos, logo, logos, photo, photos. These are some examples which ends with o but takes s to form plural. Noun ending in y preceded by a constant form their plural by changing y into I and adding es. For example, if we take baby, the last word is y and preceding preceding letters is b, then this y becomes I and the plural form be es. Thus it becomes babies. Army becomes armies. City becomes cities. These are the some examples of y letters ending with y letters. And after that there are some more rules. The following noun ending in f or fe form their plural by changing f and fe into v and adding es. For example, thief, that f become v and then we will add to es to it. Thus it becomes thieves. Life become lives and wife become wives, etc. And there are more examples of it. The noun dwarf, hoof, scarf and wharf take either s और es in the plural. इन शब्दों के साथ s या es दोनों में से कोई एक लगाइएगा तब भी सही है. For example, hoofs and hoops, both are correct. Scarves and scarves, both are correct. And whatever the words are remaining in which we can form two, both the rules will be added to it. Other words ending in f and fe add s. For example, chief become chiefs, cliff become cliffs, and proof become proofs. Such are some examples. Now we will see that a few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel of the singular. Inside vowel of the singular means man. A is the vowel here. It becomes e when it will change to a plural. It will become men. Mouse become mice. Louse becomes lice, and woman become women. There are some pronunciation difference too with changing to the plural, and there are few nouns that form their plural by adding en to the singular. कुछ ऐसे भी नाउन्स हैं जिनके साथ इन लगाकर भी हम प्लूरल बना सकते हैं, जैसे ऑक्स, ऑक्सन, चाइल्ड बिकम्स चिल्ड्रन. Next topic that we are going to read about is some nouns have the singular and the plural alike. Both are the same like. For example, swine, sheep, deer, cord, trot, salmon, aircraft, spacecraft, series, and species. After that, it is pair, dozen, score, dozen, and score, gross, 100, 1,000. These are some words which used in numerals, but these are some words that have singular and plurals alike. It does not change using in the singular or in the plural. For example, I bought 3 dozen bananas. One thing that I have to care about is the subject or the noun. Countable nouns will change its plural form, but the word will not change. For example, thus used in this sentence. Some nouns are used only in the plural. For example, names of the instrument which have 2 parts forming a kind of pair. कुछ ऐसे भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट है या फिर कुछ ऐसे नाउन्स है जो there are some pairs and there are some things which always remains in the pair that is always in the plural form. For example, scissors, spectacles, tongues, pincers, etc. Name of certain articles of dress. कुछ ऐसे भी ड्रेसेस है जो पेयर्स में ही रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ट्राउजर्स, जीन्स, पैजामास, पैंट्स. These are something articles that always remain in the pair, and that is why it is called plural form. Certain other nouns are assets, proceeds of a sale. Here proceeds where we sell a product. In that case, it becomes plural. There are some subjects, following nouns look plurals but are in fact singular. There are some thing that seems to be plural, but it always used in singular form. For example, name of the subject, mathematics, physics, economics, etc. The word news or droughts is a singular form. Name of some common diseases, for example, mumps, rickets, measles are the example of singular form. Abstract noun which have no plural, that because it is uncountable noun. That is why it cannot form plural. Names of the substances are also uncountable, and that is therefore used in the plural. यानी जितने भी uncountable noun है, they do not form any plural form, plural. This is what we have in this chapter. Thank you for watching. Be safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.